Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Office Guys Tutorial. And today again we are discussing how to make patterns in PowerPoint. If you are new to my channel, I've already made 3 videos on how to make seamless patterns in PowerPoint. The link is given in the description box. You can also click the I button on the top right corner of the screen. So without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. So today we are dealing with the pattern you can see on the screen. Now the basic shape, the basic element of the pattern here is a T, a 3D T shape here, which we're going to make in PowerPoint. So we have 3 different faces here in this, and that's only the today's target on how to create these 3 faces here to create this pattern here. So for that, I'll press Ctrl N, or you can take a new slide here and just right click, layout, blank. Now let us take a rectangle here, draw off any dimensions, click on this, come to the format options and make sure you give it a dimensions 8 by 8. So 8 cm by 8 cm. Now I'll press Ctrl D to make a duplicate and make sure you align that on the top of it. Okay, so both should be on the both should be above. Okay. Now select the topmost rectangle here, come to format options and change its size to 5 by 5. And make sure you align it to the right edge of the previous rectangle. Now select this and press Ctrl D and just keep a copy on right hand side. Again select this and press Ctrl D to make duplicate and keep it on left side. Now in order to make this shape, make sure for the top rectangle this shape should be here. For the right hand side, move this shape to the bottom right corner, and for the left shape, move the new rectangle or move the top rectangle on the left hand corner. Now select these two. Under format options, come to merge shapes and do a subtract. Similar, select these two and do a subtract, and again for the third one, subtract. Okay, so we are done with our 3 faces which we have to merge, but now we have to convert these shapes into a 3D view. For that, you have to right click here, come to format shape. Under the effect options, you have options called 3D rotation. So this is going to be our top, this is going to be our right and left. So select this isometric top, click on this and select it as right, select this and select it as left. Now guys, you can see our basic shape which we have used here is now ready. But before we going it to club it, let us give some color. I'll be using the same gradient here, same gradient color. You can choose your own color, you are free to choose. Or for this example, let me choose a different color so that you will be comfortable doing yourself. I'll take a gold accent 60% lighter here, this color, and this side I'll take a little darker color. So let us assume I'm going with this. Now again I'll choose this and come to gradient. We'll give a same gradient here and again same gradient here. Select all the 3, make sure you come to shape outline and you don't have any outline. Now it's time to club these together. You have to work a little bit fine. So zoom in here and make sure you place it carefully. You can use your keyboard arrow keys to settle it up, and this looks fine to me. Yes, and similar way you have to do for this also. It looks good. So guys, we are ready with the 3D T shape here, and make sure you don't have any white spaces here. Now guys, it's almost done. Press Ctrl A to select everything on this slide. Press Ctrl G to group it and just keep it here on the corner. Now since you have grouped it, if you resize one, everything will be resized properly. Okay, so don't think of resizing it individually. First group it and then resize. I'll resize it. Don't worry, the shape looks a little awkward. Okay, but the moment you release the mouse, it will come to the original shape. And I'll reduce it a little bit more. Yeah, looks good. So now I'll select this, little bit zoom in here so that we can work precisely. Press Ctrl D here and place it over here. Okay, looks nice. Don't click anywhere else on the screen. Keep on pressing Ctrl D and let it go outside. We'll make little extra copies here. Press Ctrl A and zoom in the screen here a bit. Press Ctrl D again to duplicate and just select these and place it here. Now keep on pressing Ctrl D until you get a decent number of copies here. Now your PowerPoint may get a little bit slower because it has to process a lot of shapes here. So what I suggest you here, press Ctrl A, right click here and save as picture. Let us name it as pattern tutorial 4. For your reference, I'll take a new slide here. Now you can see it's an empty slide. I'll come to insert picture, this device, and let us find the same image. Yeah, so here we have the image. Let us zoom in here a little bit so it covers the entire slideshow. Looks fine, looks good. Yeah, now we come to the slideshow mode, and yeah, here you have very nice looking pattern here. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you like my series on how to make seamless pattern in PowerPoint. I make a lot of tutorial on Word, PowerPoint and Excel. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And guys, do let me know what you think about these patterns and how you use them. Let me know on my Instagram at The Office Guys Tutorial. So guys, this is Jitendra Churasia signing off from today's tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you.